What if I told you that you could earn $5,000 to $10,000 per day on YouTube without having to show your face, chat, or do much work at all by simply posting ambient or video content? Relaxing white noise creates the type of ambient films that we'll discuss in today's video. And if I go to Social Blade and search in the channel's name, I can see that their predicted revenues consistently range between $3,000 and $6,000 each day. The crazy aspect is that if we go to their channel, you'll notice for yourself that they're not actually doing anything. Most of their videos are just static images with some basic sound effects. Soothing Relaxation, for example, is expected to make almost twice as much money every day as the last channel. Because Social Blade's anticipated revenues are 40 to 60% lower than what they actually are, this channel is most likely making between $12,000 and $24,000 per day on a continuous basis. Hello and welcome to Financial Fluence. In this video, we're going to go over step by step and talk about exactly how you can start generating ambient videos so that you can start making $5,000 to $25,000 per day. Let's now get going. The first step in creating ambient videos is determining what kind of videos you should be creating. There are three options. The first thing is to identify 6 of the most influential channels in your niche. Once you've located the most popular channels, you'll visit each of their individual pages. To see the channel's best performing videos of all time, click on videos and then sort the videos by most popular. Make a list of the top 10 performing videos of all time on each of the 6 main channels in the ambient video niche. And then go through all of the individual video titles to see if any patterns emerge. Do all of these channels, for example, have some style of content that consistently performs incredibly well across all channels? To be honest, if this type of video was successful for them, it will almost surely be successful for your channel. Then you'll go back and sort the videos by newest, and what you're looking for here are videos with reasonably high views in comparison to the channel's baseline. You can see what their baseline views are by scrolling through the channel's videos. For this channel in particular, their baseline views range between 15,000 and 35,000 on average. So you must hunt for a video that exceeds this standard. So there's this one right here, which has about 300,000 views. That basically informs you that people appreciate that video. So you'll take note of the rainforest ambiance and include a link to that video, so you can go back and reference it to see what they're doing in it. vidIQ provides an infinite source of video. This tool can help you grow your YouTube channel in a number of ways, but the one I want to focus on in this video is keyword research. For example, if I type in ambient sounds, vidIQ will give me a list of keywords that people are searching for on YouTube every single day, and I can just walk through this massive list and start gathering video ideas. I could search for something like rain ambience, which would return a vast list of terms and other related keywords that people look for on YouTube every single day. This is a very powerful tool that can help you promote your ambient movies in a big way. How do you make the videos now? The first thing you'll require is editing software. If you have an Apple computer, you can download and use iMovie, which is a powerful editing program that is free. If you have a computer, you can utilize DaVinci Resolve, HitFilm Express, Kdenlive, or Lightworks. If you want the best editing software and are prepared to pay some money, both Premiere Pro and Final Cut Pro are the absolute best options. We're going to use Cut Pro today. If you're going to start making ambient videos, after finding actual ambient video ideas, let's go to our ambient video ideas. I'm just going to pick one and start making the video, and we'll go with the rain and thunderstorm. Visit the website Epidemic Sound. This website includes over 30,000 high-quality songs and over 90,000 high-quality sound effects, which means you will never run out of music or sound effects for your videos. Now, I'll start by clicking sound effects. Click right here where it says weather, which will bring up a large list of weather-related sound effects. We've got rain, wind, lightning, and thunder. And as you can see, if I scroll here and press view more, it just keeps going and going. So I'm going to go through and start downloading more sound effects to use in my video. But before I start downloading sound effects, I need to pick my graphics, which will affect the sound effects I use. I'll start by searching for rain images on rawpixel.com. And before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and turn on the notification bell to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. Let's return to the video now. I want you to get creative in order to improve your game and make your videos stand out. And here's how. Instead of in the rain, try coffee shop. This image is perfect for what I'm thinking of doing right now. Take this image and open it in my editing software, scale it up, and then go to this website called videasy.com, which basically provides a ton of free video tools. Search for rain. Everything that does not have the pro tag is completely free to use, and I'll grab this rain video here and put it into my editing software. Next, I'll place the rain video I just downloaded on top of the coffee shop image, and what we get is just a black screen with rain. Select the rain clip here on my timeline, go up here to where it says blend mode, change the blend mode from normal to screen, and what we get is the rain on top of the coffee shop image. But we're not done since it's pouring inside the coffee shop right now, so all we're gonna do to make this look more realistic is apply a mask that covers the table area of the image to make it look like it's actually raining outside. Go to Effects, then Mask, then Shape Mask. Drag and drop this shape mask onto the rain video. Then extend this mask to cover the entire image except for the table. Now the rain is outside, or at least that's how we perceive it right now. For a more realistic video, I could mask out these light fixtures. I'm not done yet because I'm heading back to VidEasy to see if I can download some Steam for the cup of coffee. I'll go to videasy.com, type in Steam, and we have Steam. I'll download it, place it on top of the image, select the Steam, go to my blend mode, turn on screen, and then we're going to position the Steam to be directly over the coffee cup. And of course, we'll scale it down just to make it look more realistic. Lower the opacity to see what happens. Now that we've got the images, it's time to return to Epidemic Sound and download some rain sound effects. Listen to a few different sound effects until you find one that works. Save the best one, drop it into the editing software below the images, and given we're in a coffee shop, there will most likely be some coffee shop sounds. I'll go here and type in coffee shop, then download it and place it into the editing software to alter the volume to my liking. It would sound better if I could hear the rain more than the coffee sounds, so lower the music by a few decibels. Final Cut Pro really features an audio effect called muffled, which I'm going to drag and drop into my rain sounds. Let's add a jazz sound. Click on genre, go to jazz, and download jazz songs to add to the ambient video. You can now do raining in your bedroom, raining in a coffee shop, or raining outside of your tent by yourself. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy similar stuff, check out my other videos. And if you like it, hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.